Well, hello there, friends. It's Darren Glegg Cook from Cook's Catapults and Miscellaneous Debris. Today we're going to talk about debris, which that would be this, which comes from this Madison Poole over at Bombproof Bushcraft. Go check her out. Instagram and YouTube. Anyway, stick around. Let's find out what she sent me. Thanks for hanging around. Find out what's in this box. Like I said, I already know. But so I met Madison a while ago at a Georgia Bushcraft gathering, and she was such an she is an awesome person. She is really funny and very knowledgeable. All right, so look at that. She said that's a freebie, and of course, a Band-Aid. First cut is on us. So anyway, go check out. Hope you can see that. Thanks, Madison. I could hear that and I wasn't sure what the hell it was. Now I know. Great. Oh my goodness. You know there is. Oh yes. So she's on her website. She's selling some knives made by Dan Ferguson. Ah man, I got. Oh yes. Shit, you are absolutely right. These are sharp. This is the French trade. 1095 steel with curly maple. Handled full tang. Full tang. What? That is that's a freaking awesomeness knife. You cannot beat the price absolutely at all with that sheath. Wow. That's incredible. That's a beautiful knife. Thanks, Madison. Well, all right, hold on. I'll be back in a second. We're gonna do something, and you know what that is. So, an awesomeness knife has to be a slingshot to make it even more awesomeness, right? So go check out Madison Poole over at Bombproof Bushcraft. She has a lot of these knives, a lot of different shapes. This is the French trade that I really liked, and comes with a great sheath. She's an awesome person. Go check her out. Anyway. Kung Fu slingshot to the brain. Y'all have a great day.